Hello and welcome to Amazing Airhood Classics. Today, this very nice vintage picture popped up on Facebook. So I thought, let's do a little bit story about this car. The car was last seen in previous millennium at the Texas Bug-In, and I believe the car is still existing today, as the Texas owner who bought the car to the show still has it and knows he owns something special. The car was first discussed in Hot VW magazine in March 1986, and a full story is published in the June Dog Buggies and Hot VW magazine in August 1987. The car originally started as a 1946 CZG Beetle, built on the 20th of May and delivered to the 1st Inventory Division on the 28th of May. It was wrecked, probably in military use, in 1949, and it is believed that it was custom built in 1950 by an unknown coach-built company. The entire frame of this car was made of wood, with wooden door cores, wooden frame around the pen, fenders, front seat backs and a rumble seat. It also has a wooden dashboard, as you can see on these pictures and description. In 1956, Jack Cannon bought the car from a used car lot in Frankfurt. It had a US GI license tag, which means that a US Army soldier owned the car before him. The soldier probably left Germany when the 1st Inventory Division left Germany in 1955. In 1958, the car was shipped to the US and traded with a very special Austin Healey Le Mans, and Henry Janssen became the new owner. Henry had quite a few cars, so he didn't drive the Volkswagen very often. As a matter of fact, it was never driven out of Fort Worth again. In 1959, the car was sold to a used car lot, and that's where Mrs. Terrell bought the car. She used it for shopping and meeting clients of their landscaping business, and this time is where this special picture was made. The car is now painted red, and it was probably done in 1960. The Terrells owned the car from 1959 till 1979, when Tom Tolson bought it. Tom first sold the car in 1974, when he was just out of high school, and it took him 5 years to get enough money to buy it. Tom started his research, contacted Bob Gilmore and also the VW factory in the Lotteman family. He found out the history of the car. In 1974, Tom was only 90 years old. So, currently he must be 70 years old, and I believe he still owns the car. So, that was the story about this one-off special Roadster with rumble seat and suicide door. Quite an amazing car. Well, did you like my video? Please subscribe to my channel and watch more videos in the future.